Part 4. Best Friends. From that day on, Ostara took great care of the tiny sparrow. Every winter, it would keep itself warm in her magical underground bed, and then in the spring it would wake Ostara up with its beautiful song, and, sitting on her shoulder, they would walk across the land together. With Ostara's care, the little sparrow became healthy once more. It felt safe and happy, and they became the best of friends. Then one day, as they walked through a wild flower meadow, they heard a loud thumping noise.